So these are ground precision blocks, much like 1, 2, 3 blocks. And these are all dimensioned by different thicknesses from 3/16, 1/4 inch, 3/8, half, 1 inch, and 2 inches. And the special thing about them is they have these magnets on one side so that you can actually make different height blocks of any size dimensionally. And they're just strong enough to hold themselves together, so they're not going to be pinching your fingers in any way. They come apart really easily, and any grinding dust they wipe off pretty simply, or they blow out with an air gun. I wanted to develop something that was just easy to use, and I could just drag the kit over to where I'm working and set up my spacing and offsets, and then put them back in the box so they can always be found again, and off they go. I've been also using these on the milling machine. They're accurate for setups over there too. So they're just, I call them shop shims for that exact reason. They're just general purpose shop shims to be used anywhere that you deem necessary. I don't know how many times I've ran around the shop looking for something 5 1/4 inches. Well, if you want something 5 1/4 inches tall to hold a part up, whatever it is, well, I know that that's 4, that's 5, and you want 1/4, done deal. There's 5 1/4 inches exactly. I didn't have to go to the bandsaw and cut something with. If you're a machinist, you guys have probably already seen these. These are 1, 2, 3 blocks. These are also great for even fabricating. They're just 1 inch wide, 2 inches thick, 3 inches tall. So this is what I've always envisioned having to be a great companion for these. So now that they're the same dimensions, I can get 3 1/4 inches just like that with the existing 1, 2, 3 blocks that you might already own. And then you can move them and set them around, and they're not going to slide off. It'll really help with your setups around the shop. So I get asked a lot, what happens if you get weld spatter, weld BB, that you somehow destroy them, someone's misplaced one? Well, you can buy individual in packs of 4. It's real easy. If you want more 2 inch or any of the sizes in here, you can order those sizes independently from the kit, and we'll send those to you. The hardness is a 50 Rockwell, so they're pretty hard. They're all precision ground on 6 sides. It is a very true and precision block, so you can use any reference surface that you want. Be sure to check out firebelltool.com. There's going to be a link in the description below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.